Don't mind me just doing my thumbnail. Hey babes, so welcome to vlog number 4, 5. I don't even know if I should continue to call these videos vlogs, because if you're new here, hey, my name is Jessica. I post Tuesday videos where they're more sit down, eyelash extension related, tips, tricks, my journey in the lash industry. Friday videos, on the other hand, like the one you're watching today, I thought they would be more vlogs, but they're more a jumbled mess. So I think I'm gonna scratch the vlog, because today, as you've seen in the title down below, I am going to show you guys how I wrap up my room. It is currently Thursday, last day lashing for the week. I lash Saturdays as well, but you are watching this on Friday in the future. I don't lash Fridays because the kids are doing virtual school, so I only lash 3 days a week. And here we are about to clean. If you're wondering where I got my shirt, it's from Top Shelf Beauty, the brand. And if you have not been keeping up with me, this is your first video and it is not February yet. You can subscribe to the Top Shelf Beauty box before February 1st. February 1st, I'm gonna be highlighted. I'm so excited, guys. Like, I'm just beaming with excitement to get like my February box. But let's get to today's video. After each guest, I use Lysol on my recliner. This is in the mango hibiscus scent. It kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, aka. So I spray this after each guest. And with paper towels, I wipe up my recliner. I usually do it from the other side, so I'm usually over here, and I spritz it like this. On the armrest, and on the back and the booty area. So I just spritz it down. Can you hear me? If you can't hear me, I say I just spritz it all down and wait about 10 minutes. Then I come over here. While my recliner is simmering in all those chemicals and getting nice and clean for me, I come to the checkout area, and in this area I like to clean my pencil, my little square reader, and my iPad, because most of the time my guests are touching this to check out and stuff like that. And I have right here Clorox wipes and hand sanitizer for my guests to use. So I just grab a Clorox wipe and just wipe it down, making sure everything is nice and, you know, sanitized for your guest and for you. You want to be nice and safe. So I just go here, wipe this down as well. And I need to change the calendar. Today is the 28th, and I haven't highlighted it since the 19th. My guests are probably like, what is this girl thinking? Today is not the, where was I? The 19th, today's not the 20th. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the 28th and the 29th, because I don't return back until the 30th. And look, it's a full moon today. As you can see, I need to restock on aftercare. I'm not sure if you guys seen the video where I did like cleaning my face, taking my makeup off, cleaning my lashes. I'll link it up here for you guys if you have not watched it. But in that video, I was using the Bloom Fringe products, and those are the ones that I'm going to be stocking here in the studio. They look so cute and they work really, really well. I'll also have them linked down below for you, because I do have a code with them if you guys want to check them out. Like I said, I have a video using the products, and then I'll have their website with my discount code down below for you. I like having my waters facing forward and kind of like in a little triangle. I can see that I need to bring more waters in the studio. I mostly have like 4 to 5 guests a day, so this is going to last me for Saturday, but I should definitely bring some just to have them stocked up in my little back stock area, just so I can have enough waters for my guests. I also have right here some mints. So these are not like mints, these are kind of like candy canes, soft peppermint candy. These are so good. I got them for Christmas time last year, and so many of my guests loved them, so I kept bringing them back, and every time a guest leaves, they always get mints and water, and I feel like it's just like a little treat to have for your guest with their mascara wand. If you have not watched that video of like that girl that I worked with that only used one mascara wand on each guest, oh my god, you need to watch that video, it was so disgusting. But you know, they leave out of here feeling nice and refreshed. You know, if they took a little nap, they sometimes are like, oh my god, my mouth is so dry, so I have water and mints for them. This is going to be the most like messy area, if you want to call it messy, because I have things that I've like grabbed and then just placed on here that need to go back in their spot. So first things first, I just take an overall look and be like, okay, this doesn't go there, this goes over here. My little mister, I always keep it open. This is from Borboleta. It has distilled water in here, so I don't want it to like get a nasty smell, so I leave it open like that just so it can like breathe or whatever. I use adhesive rings, so I come in here, get some water, make sure you are crystallizing this adhesive so you don't get all those fumes in the air. It is now getting crystallized, as you can see there, and then now I can toss that in the trash. My tape doesn't go there, it goes over here. These should have already been in the trash. I don't know why I left them there, but I need to clean up my tweezers. These are the ones that are most used and most loved. The Lash Affair Size Matters, the Perfect Fit by Lash Affair, and this one is by Lash Royalty. I think it's the Lynn tweezer. They're my favorite tweezers. So I'm gonna put these in Barbicide. Make sure they don't have any adhesive or anything on the tip. If they do, you wanna make sure you are soaking them in acetone first, then placing them in Barbicide, not soaking them, all of them, just like the tip of it, so it could get nice and clean. Between each guest, you want to make sure you are cleaning your SMA, tossing it in the trash. There's like a little lash there, and then the tweezers that you're using, if you are misting, brushing, and you place them back here, you don't want any of this bacteria cross-contamination with your other guest. So always toss that tissue away and have another one ready to place with your new clean mascara wands, your little mascara wand covers, or even like your dofa applicators. You want to make sure you have a new fresh towel with clean tweezers on there and all that clean stuff. So now I clean my lashes. I need to be better of putting my lashes back where they go. So these are C.15 and they go from 6mm, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And they're organized, but anytime I need to take a strip out of the lash boxes and put them like in my lash tile, I usually just leave them on here because I constantly go in my folder on my iPad. I think I have a video up here. If I do have one, I'll link it up here for you guys. And that's how I keep inventory. Every time I take off one strip, I make sure to note it on my iPad. So then I just leave them here. I need to be better of putting them back where they go. So much better. I need to trigger a part in my brain that every time I take a box out and note it, instead of placing it back here, just putting it back where it goes. It's like a second. I just need to trigger that part in my brain. I don't know why I do it. I just do it. Don't ask me why, because I don't know. With these cords, I have hooks over here designated for them. But again, they're kind of like the lashes where I use the charger for my iPad, my iPencil, my AirPods, iPhone, whatever. And when I disconnect it, I put it here and then it just looks like horrible. And I'm just like, it takes a second, Jessica, to place it where it goes. I'm just gonna organize up here real quick as well. This is my favorite adhesive remover, like the lash remover. It's by Untamed Artistry. It's called Undo. The reason why I love it is because it is pink. The product is pink. It's a cream remover, so wherever you place it, it does not move, doesn't leave any residue, and they come in these cute little packaging that one of these is enough for both eyes. So instead of like continuously opening up a little like jar that kind of looks like adhesive, you know what I'm talking about? A lot of lash removers come in those like little things, or like in a little jar where you scoop the remover out. So much more sanitary. So I'm just gonna organize up here. I usually have my little distilled water for my mister, water for my adhesive rings, my little adhesive adhesive rings, I have tape, and I have my adhesives. This is a reminder for you, Jessica. You're running low on tape, and we don't like that here. The tape that I like to use is the Nichibon tape, and I buy it on Amazon. It looks like this, and you can see inside it says Nichibon. It is amazing. It is super soft to hold down bottom lashes. I cut it in half and I use it to like pull back the layers like this, pull the eyelid. My favorite tape. So Jessica, you need to buy some. If you guys need to buy some tape, I'll link my Amazon storefront down below where you guys can find more items that I use here in the studio, and my favorite Nichibon tape will be linked down below as well. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do. My Instagram name is Jesicavxo, the same way it's spelled here on YouTube. I go live every single Wednesday, and it is so much fun because I'm like getting instant feedback. I'm like interacting in live time here on YouTube. I know when my videos are going to be posted. So if I'm gonna do something Wednesday and I have a video that's gonna be posted Tuesday, I'm like, oh, tomorrow, even though I'm like filming like on a Sunday or something and it's in like 3 days, it messes with my brain sometimes. Like right now I'm gonna say, oh, tomorrow I'm going live on Instagram, which actually I'm filming this on Thursday and it is in 2 days that I'm gonna go live on Instagram. But tomorrow I am gonna go live with Chanel on my Instagram. We're gonna do a Q&A, so go check that out. If you don't know who Chanel is from Top Shelf Beauty, Top Shelf Beauty is a subscription box, which I am going to be highlighted in February's box. So go subscribe. It is lash apparel, lash products, Christmas every month. That's what I like to say. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I could know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves.